Hello, welcome back. It is Friday the 4th of September today, and I'm so pleased to be bringing you along to the allotment and show you what I've been up to over the last week. You can probably see behind me, not a lot has been going on the allotment. Everything's starting to look really weedy again and a bit sorry for itself because, you know, we are at the beginning of September now. Autumn is so close now, but I have spent a lot of my energy this week on the very back of my allotment, which is along the brick wall here, and I can't wait to show you. This area has been overgrown pretty much since I had the allotment. When I had the plastic sheeting over the allotment when I first took it on, I kind of folded it up, put it at the very back. There were pallets and things like that all broken at the very back. So on Monday I spent pretty much all day just clearing that area, mowing it with my battery operated mower, which is a godsend, and I've moved my compost bins there and my water collection area is there, and I can't wait to show you. But first I'll leave you with the footage from then, and then I will give you a little tour of what it looks like now. So as you can see, I got so stuck in and I really enjoyed working on this area. You can see kind of like this area here was pretty much the path, and I just cleaned all of this back area up, and I have got so much space, and I really feel like moving the compost bins and the water collection areas at the very back of my plot now, I've got much more space on my allotment, and it looks so much tidier down the back here. So let's go and have a look. So look how much space I have created. I am so pleased. What I've done is I've put my water butts at kind of either end. So I've got a blue water butt here that was left on the plot when I got it. Next to that, I've got a green bin with loads of holes in the bottom that I'm going to be doing as a wormery. I've got a big potato bucket there with a raspberry in. That was where my Picasso potatoes were in, so it's obviously a little bit blighty, that soil, so I won't use it for potatoes again. I have 2 trees here that I got last September, I think it was, that I haven't put in the ground yet. One is a cherry and the other is a plum. I also picked up some of the Lidl compost for 99p, and I think I've got, maybe 10 packets there, which is about 200 litres, which is great. And then this is a bush. I'm not sure what bush it is. It was just on the plot when I got it, but I understand it's got a really nice flower, but I can't really remember what it was. Then I have my 2 Dalek composters, and they are both empty, but I've actually filled them up pretty much with a lot of the work that I've done today, or when I did this. And the green one was originally with my plot when I took my plot on, and the black one just here, I actually picked that up for free. I picked that up for free from the local Facebook selling page, and it was just around the corner, so I didn't even have to worry about how I was going to get that in the car. I just walked it round. So lush for a nice freebie there. There is another shrub here. Do you know what? Camellia is coming to mind, but I'm not sure. And then I have my 2 water butts just at the very end of the plot here, and so pleased with those. Unfortunately, all 3 of these water butts are now empty because I had to kind of move them, but I shouldn't be using them now, you know, for the rest of the year, so they can fill up over the winter. But there you go. Honestly, I'm so excited about this. Look how much space I have created here. There you go. That is my compost and water collection area. I am so pleased. I'm really sorry that I had to do that little voiceover bit. The people in the house over there have either just bought it or they're refurbishing it. And they are doing loads of work. So as you can hear, there's power tools in the background. So I'm so sorry about that. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed, and I'm going to head off now. So thank you so much for watching one of my videos today. If this is the first time you're watching, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified of all of my latest videos. Up on the screen now, there are a few videos that YouTube think you'll like, so please go ahead and watch those, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!